How to change your Spotify email. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your email for your Spotify account. Well, the process is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Spotify application. Then you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find towards the top left corner of the screen. Then the pop-up will appear from the left-hand side of the screen. You want to simply go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, go ahead and tap on Account option, and you can see the email option there. Tap on email and now it will take you to accounts.spotify.com where it'll show up email here, right? So you can see email here. Now this is, you can view it, but to change it, you'll have to go on spotify.com on your browser and then you want to log into your account. Then here you can see the option that says edit profile. So here you can simply remove this email, type in a new one, and then go ahead and enter in your password and then save it. So this is how you can change your email. Now you can either do it through the application, however it'll redirect you to spotify.com, or you can simply head into spotify.com, log into your account and change it through the method that I just showed. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.